know, but eating octopus. I know what we do. Different. I am still in the game, so I've been losing for 2 consecutive months, and I'm still in the game. That's the best part about this. I understand that the feeling of seeing a trade move from profit to loss is worse than seeing a trade move from profit to break even, but seeing a trade move from profit to break even then back to profit hurts more if you were taking out the break even than if you just let it hit your stop loss. Welcome back to another video. So it's a new week, it's Monday, and I have the charts up in front of me, but we don't have any trades right now. So I thought, why not just pull out the camera and give y'all a kind of day in the life, in a sense, while we just waiting for a trade. We in the backyard grilling octopus. So come with me as we do that. You know what I'm saying? Octopus. Well, I give you a nice little check it out. Watch that. Plotted by. You know, but eating octopus. I know what we do. Different. Does the hairs them over there? Does the body right there? Alright. I'm in the yard vibing right now. And the octopus on the grill, so we can come back, give y'all a check-in periodically while I keep looking for a trade. Hopefully I get to find one. I don't know. Feeling good about this Monday, even though it kind of looking like price go when I left me. Love it.
Octopus done, ready, bye. Don't worry the background. I like to put it back in here so make it look nice, because it's making it look dark. But in here, ooh wee. That's what we call octopus. I gotta try one of this shrimp. I mean, this octopus head.
Yeah,
octopus head.
bro. Look at it. Hey, full one. And then connection. Look at that. Look at that. How it be?
Bro.
How it be?
That's a zip.
But if I really tell you about place, I would have taken you in your face and tell you that I'm in the trade.
We back, and your boy Bede, you know. I don't know why this camera started looking so dark all of a sudden. I'm gonna fix that. Trust, I'm gonna fix that. But as for right now, it's probably because we're rain outside as well. But as you can see on the charts there, I'm in a trade, and I sent this one out to the community. If you're looking at it and wondering like why this don't look like the normal trades that I take, like it doesn't look like I followed the confirmations and the rules that I normally do in these videos, and I'm still using my strategy. I'm still using the same confirmations in a slight sense, but I'm just applying it differently. Most of the rules are still being followed, but like I said, I'm trying to tweak my strategy to survive in current market conditions, because the results for this year have not been so different than December. But anyhow, we still in this one. The fried calamari was really good. Let me fried. Alright, so I didn't show this part to y'all, but after grilling it, we realized that octopus might not be the best thing for the grill. You know, hey, it's a learning process though. You probably know that since watching it on there and couldn't tell me anything because I'd no recording this shit. But I'm gonna start doing these things live so I can get warnings beforehand. Don't eat the head part. That's where the ink is there. You would think that's common sense, but regardless, it was nice. We fry it when it's done. Anyhow, I'm in this trade right now. Y'all already know we're trying to make these videos much shorter than they are and with much less talking, which is going to be very hard for me to do. I'm sure you can tell. But yeah, we in this one aiming for 1 to 2, risking 54 pips. I'm in this one on all of the accounts, including the other 2 prop firms and my personal account as well. So all 7 accounts, and it's supposed to be 8 because I have the $50 account with Black Bone Markets as well, but I have not started that yet. I'm probably gonna start it from tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and give you all an update once this trade gets from point A to point B. But I also send this out to the community as well. So, before we go too far into the video, for those interested in learning how to trade the same way I do, or even just learning how to trade in general, if you're confused on the internet, if it's just a lot and all over the place, then the first link in the description, GTFXlearn.live, a free trading course that teaches you everything that you need to know, from beginners to even if you're intermediate and you would just like to sharpen your skills. It teaches you all the basics, everything that you'll need to know to get from not knowing that trading even existed to placing your first trades. Yeah, so that would be in the description, and you can also click on the same link if you're interested in joining me in the private communities while I live trade and send signals and all of that, the discussion as well. So if you're interested in joining any of the communities, it's the first link in the description, gtfxlearn.live, or you can just type it on Chrome and visit the website, gtfxlearn.live. But otherwise to that, back to the video. So we're back from yesterday's video. It's a brand new day. And hold on, yeah, I can't see it yet. Alright, so as you can see there, boy oh boy oh boy, we lost that trade yesterday as well. And here's the thing about yesterday's trade, right? It was normal risk and everything, but it was brought to my attention that January and December really ain't so different, bro. And February thus far is looking like the third month on it, but I ain't even gonna call it for myself. I've made the adjustments to the strategy, but still, price is just doing what price wants to do. I am still in the game, so I've been losing for 2 consecutive months, and I'm still in the game. That's the best part about this. Just wanted to fill you guys in on how the situation is right now. Gonna be looking for another trade, not gonna end this video right now. And once I get that other trade, I'm gonna come back and fill you guys in. But for right now, we got the live with the group. So we'll do that at 15 minutes after 9, and then I'm gonna come back in and check in with you guys, hopefully once I'm in a trade. Hopefully this one goes to TP, because I could use a win. I could really and truly use a win. But let's see. So we're back, and it's rainy outside, but more importantly, we have a trade. As you can see on the screen, this is the situation. This is where price is at, and we already entered this trade. It was a buy stop for me, but a buy that I sent out to the community just before we actually approached the buy stop. So price was pretty bullish, and I just sent it out as a buy. I'm expecting a retracement, maybe on the 5-minute, but a retracement nevertheless. If we do have a retracement, and depending on price action, then I might get to enter another position in the same direction, and it's possible that I hold one of the positions for this high at 21,795. So let's see how it actually goes. But this is the situation. It looks like a trade that I might be in for a while, so I'm gonna cut the camera for right now and come back and give you all that breakdown once we get to any of our points of interest, as usual. Alright, and we're back, and as you can see on the charts, we're up, but emotionless. Remember, emotionless. I ain't want to make this video dead, but I still want to be emotionless. It might look like I'm excited or anything, but nah, even if we're in the red, I'm still gonna try my best to bring my best foot forward and all the energy. Your sight is like I just drink an Excel. If you know what Excel is, like the equivalent of Mountain Dew, you know, the Caribbean version of a Mountain Dew. Excel, yeah man. Anyhow, y'all probably know it's Excel outside it. Anyway, this is the situation. The take profit that I sent out to the community is the one that is on the charts at 21,777, but I kind of have my take profit set above these highs at 21,795. Yeah, so we're still watching the price. I was just considering to bring my stop loss to break even, but it's not me. It's really and truly not me. I understand that the feeling of seeing a trade move from profit to loss is worse than seeing a trade move from profit to break even, but seeing a trade move from profit to break even then back to profit hurts more if you were taking out at break even than if you just let it hit your stop loss. So it's kind of a risk that I'm willing to take, and yeah, it's just something I have to put up with. So far, I believe trades turned around from my take profit about 3 or 4 times for the year, but still sticking to the strategy, still trying my best to remain disciplined, and I journal this trade. So let's see how it goes. Gonna come back and fill you guys in once we get to any of our other points of interest, because I did have this area here, this beginning of this fair value gap marked out as a point of interest, but let's see what happens. We potentially have a gap forming right here if this bullish candle closes above, so let's see what happens. Alright, back just about half an hour later, and we're this far away from take profit, but price is fondling around the TP. And as you guys know, my new strategy is not strategy, but my new approach towards trading is not to be right. It's not to be correct to the tip and be perfect. It's just to make money. And as of now, on all of the accounts, I probably shouldn't even show you how to, but on all of the accounts, you probably can't see it right now, right? Yeah, you can kind of see that, but on all of the accounts we're up. Now I can show you how the trade looks on all of the prop accounts. We're up about $82 on the prop, so I'm about to manually close it right now. Not gonna wait. And oh yeah, I'm using a trade copier, so I closed it on that one, it'll close for this one, and I closed it on this account, so it'll automatically close for this account right here. So that's for the prop accounts with SiegFund. Now to manually close all positions on the other accounts. Alright, so I'm also going to send it out to the community that I exited the trade right now. Even though it looks like this price is gonna go up, to be honest, because we have this fair value gap right here, the low down here, which is a fair value gap on the 15-minute. So yeah, I'm just gonna send it out just to be transparent. Cool, so I sent that message out to the premium community. Almost a TP, 107 pips in profit. I'm closing the trade here to secure profits. If you're holding, bring SL to PE. Alright, so, oh wow, price doing a thing. I still believe it's gonna go back up because, like I said, there's this fair value gap right here below that low on the 15-minute. Let me just take this up a little bit more, so if price comes down to touch it, then yeah. But I'm out of the trade. That was a well-deserved win, I'm gonna be honest with you. We're still in a bit of a drawdown, but hey, one thing I really wanted to tell you guys before we end the video real quick, I'm going to be restarting that $50 to $100 challenge with Black Bull Market on TradingView. So that will either be, the first trade will either be today or tomorrow. So I'm going to deposit today, so we're gonna be ready for tomorrow's market regardless. Or if I potentially have another trade later on today, then I'll take that trade on the account, and I'll definitely bring that video to fill you guys in. But that would definitely be it for this one. It's a long video, even though I'm trying to make it short, probably shorter than the average video. But hope you made it this far. If you did, then really appreciate that. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment while you're at it, why not? And I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Peace.